Home Improvement and Maintenance Services, Doncaster East, Victoria. This great little business offers the buyer plenty of options, with future growth a given if desired. Established as a side hustle by the owner, it would be easy to turn AB Home Improvements into your full-time gig. Services include tree removal, pruning, rubbish removal, demolition, handyman jobs, gardening and hedging. Established 2 years ago, this owner-operated business has more than 50 5-star reviews on hipages. The business comes with excellent assets, including a 2006 Ford Courier 2.5 litre turbo diesel ute with tray. There's also a Victorian tipper trailer with cage and an amazing array of Makita power tools. AB Home Improvements attracts plenty of client referrals through word of mouth and real estate offices. This is the perfect opportunity for someone who loves staying fit and building networks with clients. The work is varied and flexible, giving you plenty of time for other activities. However, given the demand for services, it could be time to hire staff and take this business next level.